Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of GenGatorz University. Glad you could join us. Today we are going to talk about why Kohler. Some of you may or may not know we have a podcast called Prime Mover Podcast, and there's a reason behind that title. Prime Mover is the power unit, the power plant that really gets a generator going, that shows up first and creates the energy. So the Prime Mover is the engine. In this particular unit is going to be a 20 kW Kohler versus a 20 kW generic brand. Take a look at the cylinder block. We got a 90-degree V. Obviously the block is much larger in size. If you put them here and compare them, for an air-cooled engine, you're really trying to dissipate heat is your main goal. So a larger cylinder block allows you to dissipate heat. I'll skip up here. You can look at the size of the cylinder head, really massive in size compared to a comparable brand. A lot of more surface area for fin cooling and stuff like that. So valve stem diameter is larger, valve face is larger than the competitor brand. So it just makes for a better cylinder head, better power unit, better power head package. Then take a look at this, just the camshaft, the beefiness of the camshaft. The Kohler unit has hydraulic lifters. However, the camshaft is still an integral part of the engine. Moving all the way up to the crankshaft. Crankshaft is twice the size, a lot more beefy. Got a really powerful straight drive oil pump gear here. The crank journal is probably 1/4 inch bigger in diameter and overall weight and size. You're just playing with a really well-built industrial style engine. You can tell even by the size of the connecting rod here. Kohler just builds an amazing power unit for the air-cooled power products. 20 kW, even in a 26 like I'm standing in front of here. The engine is probably 35% larger in overall size, horsepower, efficiency, cooling, quietness, and raw power. Again, hydraulic lifters, well-built product. If you want the best prime mover on the market, come see us at 152 North Hollywood Road or GenGatorz.com. And we have this live in our showroom 24/7, so come in and check it out.